how to use EveryPlate Credit. To use your EveryPlate Credit, simply open the EveryPlate application and simply select your plan, which is your desired meal plan right here, right? So I'll just go ahead and then select my desired meal plan by quickly skipping through all of these process right here. And once we've basically done this, we have to simply proceed to checkout. So log into your account and proceed to the checkout page. Then the credit should be automatically applied to your order during the checkout process. After that, you can double check your order details and payment method to ensure the credit has been applied correctly. And you can check your EveryPlate account to see how much credit you have currently. Either way, I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.